Get ready for a tech revolution like never before. Introducing the Product X Conference, where NoCode and AI collide to shape the future. Join us in the heart of innovation, where industry leaders, entrepreneurs, and creators converge. Imagine immersing yourself in sessions led by the brightest minds, gaining actionable strategies, and forging connections that last a lifetime.
Hey there, it's me, Chris Dancy, and I invite you to join me at the Product X NoCode and AI Developer Conference in partnership with my visionary friends at Norwest.
From mastering no-code to exploring the cutting-edge realms of AI, this conference is your gateway to the future. With 3 inspiring keynotes, hands-on sessions, a vibrant cocktail party, and breakfast and lunch on day 2, the Product X Conference offers an immersive experience like no other. We're looking for makers, developers, startups, and founders who are ready to shape the next wave of innovation.
So join us October 19th and 20th, where innovation, AI, and no-code collide.